Okay, tell me what it's saying now.
Live stream started soon.
Is it live?
No, I don't see nothing. Am I supposed to mash this red button here?
I don't know. You're in charge like
Okay.
I am.
All right. You got on a brown necklace and you twitching your mouth.
I guess so.
Okay, wait a minute. You just rub your head. Okay. People trying to speak language. I love the what's up. I forgot to speak language. Got your hands up under you. Oh, I see you. I can't hear you. Let me see if I can hear you now. Say
Okay.
something. Talk.
Oh,
Are you
oh,
talking?
yeah, I might not have the right microphone. Let me try to get.
Well, I can't hear you on the TV, but I can hear you on my phone. So you don't hang up on the phone.
You can hear me on the phone?
Yeah, I hear you on the phone, but I don't hear you on the TV.
Okay, well stay there. I mean, we're doing some
No.
serious testing here. I
Well, I
mean,
don't know. It's not syncing. What are you doing now? I'm looking at you. You're doing something. I can't hear nothing.
well, I'm not saying anything.
Your mouth is moving.
Is it?
And you got on the flat top.
Yeah.
And you grinning now.
No.
Oh, this must be an old one then. Wait a minute.
What? I have on a black top and two necklaces.
Yeah.
I don't
One
know.
look like a snake. One look like a choke and the other is a neck is hanging down.
Yes. It may be delayed a
Yeah.
little. Yeah, it may be delayed a little bit. Okay, I'm
All
gonna
right.
send this email.
I can't hear it though. I can't hear it.
Maybe you don't have any. Okay, so we're gonna talk about landing pages and options for using them. Okay. All right, so I'm just sending this to the rest of the group because we um we had to change venues here. So we're gonna just
Okay.
send out this. I can share my screen so you can see what I'm doing. I'm actually just inside of Aweber,
I
and
can hear you. I can hear you on my phone.
okay, well there's something going on with your computer anyway, right?
Yeah. So let me hang up the telephone itself and listen to you on the YouTube.
Well, does the computer have speakers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna listen to you on the YouTube on the telephone. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. All right, so we are just sharing this on YouTube pages and on Twitter. Okay, and then we're gonna send immediately. and send message now. Okay, so we should be completely live now. All right. So if you're with me on YouTube, you should be able to if you're with me on YouTube, you should be able to go to my channel and see that I have a video playing. Okay? And it should be a live broadcast. And we are streaming live right now. So tonight I want to talk about landing pages. All right. So tonight I want to talk about landing pages. All right. So tonight I want to talk about. Okay, I'm just getting my screens situated here. I got an email today that I was really that really concerned me. Leadpages is a leading software for capturing leads. When you're doing sales, okay, we're building a web business, and we're building a web business while we are working full time. So being efficient is going to be the key here. One of the tools that I use is Leadpages, and what Leadpages does is it creates the boxes. It creates the boxes that people can type into so you can get their information and send them follow-up email messages. So Leadpages, the pro account is raising their prices from I'm at the pro monthly right now. And if you pay annually, it's $40 a month. I mean, it's $40 a month, but you pay annually. So that's like $480 a year. Well, this Friday, they are raising the price. This Friday night, they're raising that membership to $100. Okay. So instead of $40 a month, it will be $100 a month. So it'll go from $480 to $1,200 a year or something like that. Okay. The reason, let me show you. Oh, by the way, I am Lorinda. I am the author of the Silver Bullet Business Model, Online Secrets for Profits Using What You Already Know. To find me, to find that book, just go to Amazon and search for Lorinda, and you will see it there. Okay? That's my Silver Bullet Business Model book. That book outlines a lot of the things we're talking about here. So what we're going to do is go to the Leadpages. All right. over 40,000 customers, and a lot of marketers, a lot of online marketers use lead pages. Why I like it, or what I was really working toward, is to get this advanced annual one here, because, and the only reason I wanted that is because it included lead digits. And lead digits was the feature that you can tell somebody to text 44555 to um, this number, and they will be automatically signed up for your webinar, or signed up for, well, it only works at GoToWebinar though. You could be signed up for a GoToWebinar, which is by itself $89 a month, or you can be signed up for email lists, so it would integrate seamlessly with your Aweber list, and or you can just be signed up to get what they call your lead magnet, and other people call your free giveaway, the thing that you give away so that people get on your list. Now, the importance of having a list is so that when you launch something, or when you have something good to say, or if you have a special, or if you just want to share value, keep in touch with your customers. That is the importance of building a list. A lot of marketers recommend that you communicate with the people on your list at least once a day, once every day. Now, I am certainly guilty of not doing that every single day. I have to work myself up to that. But the ability to do the text messages, as well as having people do a regular opt-in. Okay, when people say you opted in, they mean that you did something like this. You know, when you go, I'll show you my opt-in page on my website. So when I go to movemymountain.com, okay, on my front page here, oh, I took the form off. Well, there used to be a form over here where that said keep in touch, and you put in your name and email address, and that would add you to my email list. That was how you signed up for my newsletter. Well, when you do that, they call that you opted in. Sometimes you have to go to your email account and confirm that that it was really you, and that you really intended to sign up for their letter. Now, on this is one of the ebooks that I wrote called WordPress for Micropreneurs. This is an opt-in form as well. So when you put in your name, your email address, and your first name here, that is an opt-in form. So that's the same thing that Lead Pages does, except you don't need a website to have a Lead Pages landing page. This page right here inside of movemymountain.com is a landing page as well. Now, at Lead Pages, you can publish your lead page to your web page, just like, so it would look like it's just a part of your website. But one of the beautiful things about it is that you don't have to publish it to your website. You can put it on Facebook. It can stand by itself. It has its own unique URL. And by URL, I mean the web address for it. This landing page right here was actually built with Optimized Press. And Optimized Press is a kind of software. It's a plugin that I have it installed inside of my WordPress site, and you get a dashboard, and it also, you can build landing pages inside of here as well. So lead pages isn't the only way to get a landing page. There's several different ways to get a landing page. It's just that it's one of the best ways because it comes with a lot of templates. So let's go over to lead pages, and maybe I can show you what I mean. It is important. It is important that you are capturing email addresses. So these are a lot of different landing pages that you create when you are trying to sign people up for stuff. It's already done for you. These are ones that you pay for, but there are a lot of them that are not that are included with your lead pages account. Now, the thing that's going to make lead pages so worth $100 more is this lead digits. Okay, lead digits right here, that is the thing that they're going to add into, looks like it's already added into the pro um, the pro annual membership. Oh yeah, it is in pro annual, but when you are on the monthly, oh, it's in there too. Well, they're saying that this price is going to go up. The annual billing, the 40 is going to go to 100, and the lead digits will be included in that. Now, why lead digits is so important is because you'll be able to have people do the text messaging. And they use the text messaging with something that they call a short code, like text 33444. And I've been doing some research, and I think these companies, lead pages as a company, probably bought their short code that they use with their lead digits from this company called Clickatel. Now, from what I can understand, this company is like worldwide, and they're worldwide doing text messaging. Like, they're connected to 6 billion accounts or something like that. But it looks like really inexpensive. But to rent a short code is $800 a month. So what I'm thinking that Lead Digit does is they rent the short code from Clickatel and then resell it to us. But then there's this thing in here called America's Two-Way SMS that's $500, that you get that's $7 a month, that you get 500 messages per month. But I don't see the software. So does that mean that you have to create your own software to use with their text messaging program? I don't know. And that's probably the value that Lead Pages brings to us, because we're just regular consumers, so we're not going to be able to have software. But I may look into that a little further. So the bottom line is, when you are growing your business and you are meeting people, you're hanging out with people, you want to be capturing their email addresses. And we are going to cut the phone off because it's ringing. Okay, so the bottom line is, for a landing page is simply a place that that people visit, and you want them to put in their name and email address, or you want them to do something so that you can either give them a gift or sign them up for a webinar or sign them up for a class or sign them up for something. It's just a page that they go to, and they call it a landing page. If you're building a web business, you will need to use the landing pages. Okay, let's see here what else we had in the stack of stuff about landing pages. Okay, you can create a landing page just inside of a post, because like inside of Aweber, you can go and get the code from your autoresponder, which is Aweber, the thing that you use to send out the email messages. You can get the code for um, the form for people to be able to type in, like the landing page that I showed you. You can just copy that form onto your website and just have it straight away from them. So you can create a landing page with only your website and your autoresponder. So that's probably the cheapest of all. But that means you would be responsible for designing the page and for what it looks like. You've got to figure that part out. You probably could just make it look like what your web page already looks like, and you just have the form on there. Or if if you put it over in the sidebar, like uh, like it was on Move My Mountain, then you don't need anything designed because it's just hanging out on the right side in the margin. But if you have a whole page, or if you have a video playing on the top and you want people to register down below, that kind of thing, then you are going to want a landing page. And sometimes you're just promoting one product, but you have several different products. So you're not promoting your whole company all of the time. Sometimes you're just promoting an event, or you just promoting one product or one idea. So that's when a landing page really comes in handy, when you want to just do a marketing campaign for just one item, one product, one meeting, one seminar, or one webinar. That's when landing pages come in really, really handy. So that is what I had to say about landing pages. I'm going to have to make a decision about this before Friday night at midnight about lead pages, because it is the industry leader. And if you do lock in the price now, you do lock in that $477 price for life before the price goes up. So that's an incentive. And I understand the more people, this is how it works. The more people that know about landing pages and know about lead digits, the less effective it's going to become. So in a sense, lead pages has an incentive to not just have it so that everybody can afford it, that it's so cheap that everybody does it, and then it doesn't work for anybody anymore. So then they don't even have a business to sell to. So they have to make it so that only the people who are really serious, this is my theory anyway, because that's like a big price jump. That's like doubling the price. So I imagine people, the word is kind of getting out about lead pages, and so they're making it, just building another little gateway for you to have to jump through. So that is what I wanted to talk about tonight. If you have any questions, or you want me to talk about something different, please let me know. And please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do that too. And we will see you next Tuesday night. Thanks so much.